Hello guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, what I will be showing you guys is how you can get your Lidl Plus card, and let's get right into it. So as you can see, I am currently in the Lidl Plus app, and what this app does, it enables you to use a lot of its functionalities to improve your shopping experience at Lidl. And you do that firstly by selecting your favorite store in your area where you are located. And once you actually do that, you will be able to both redeem your coupons and use them for shopping. You'll be able to see what is currently in stock in the store you selected as your favorite. You'll be able to create a shopping list, which will help you, of course, with your shopping. And you'll be able to see all kinds of leaflets, magazines, and catalogs of any currently ongoing sales or offers that are unique to the season you are in. And yeah, that is pretty much to sum up what the actual Lidl Plus app does. Also, you can get partner offers, which are limited time offers. From what I know, these are limited time offers which you can redeem and get several discounts. Now, to actually get your Lidl Plus card, and you use this at checkout when you actually want to activate any possible discounts. And as you can see, if you have an account, you need to log into it. If you don't know how to create one, we have a tutorial for that as well, so please check it out. Once you create it, once you log in, as you can see in the bottom, near the bottom above the 5 tabs you see at the bottom, you have the Lidl Plus card. Just click on it and you will see a QR code where you can also select to have only digital receipts, which does help the environment to actually stop printing actual paper receipts, and that is very useful. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.